Look at that.
Yep. Ooh, you hear that?
Yeah.
Like that sound? All right, cool, cool.
Give me 5 partner.
Yeah, all right, let's do it.
Tell your say hi.
I will, absolutely. Let's do it. So, that's not it. Watch this.
Oh, that's so cool.
Watch the roof. Wait till you see the roof.
I like this.
There we
So
go.
cozy now.
Now it's cool. All right. I want to put the...
Hold on.
Oh, yeah, definitely hold on. All right, here we go.
Look.
All right, we're recording now, so this camera up here is recording. Want to say your name for the camera? Yeah, it's a camera right there.
Where?
Huh?
On your head?
Yeah, on my head, yeah. This is a GoPro. So it's basically, it's kind of like, it's basically a kind of camera, and you can just kind of wear it on different parts of your body just to get like footage. So I wear it on my head, so it allows me to take footage while I'm driving. It's pretty cool.
I do like this.
Yeah. How you feeling, good?
Have a look.
Good. Look like you're ready to drive, man. Look like you're ready to go fast.
Not too bad.
No. Oh, this car is very, very fast. So just, you'll be good though. You'll be fine.
I knew. I'll go home on the boat from Sunday back.
Wow, yeah.
I'm gonna see having my book there to my mom on Sunday.
Yeah.
What's today's date? My hair in my face again.
Yeah, you got the hair in your face. So, hey, so...
I'm gonna cut loose.
Oh, we're gonna cut loose, all right, so... Yep. All right, so yeah, we're just driving in town right now, myself and Lisa. How you doing, Lisa? Good?
Kind of.
Awesome. So, yeah.
I'll go be 57 coming in now.
You're gonna be 57. Like I said, you look good for 57.
Done it, kid.
Yeah, we're not spring chickens anymore. I'm 50, and you know we're.
I'm older than you.
Yeah.
I don't realize it.
Hey, as long as you have a young spirit, you just stay happy, stay healthy. That's the most important thing. Enjoy life, no matter what your situation. Oh, really?
My tummy is going down crazy.
Oh god, your stomach's gonna go crazier when we go fast in this car. Just watch. I better let this guy go. All right. Yeah, it's a little hard to concentrate here. All right. All right. No, it's funny. Every time we go to a light, it turns green, so it's kind of a weird situation because I do. Yep. Ooh, I like that truck there. That's a nice truck. Ooh, it sounds kind of loud though. God. Yeah. It's kind of weird because, like, you know, I'm a YouTuber. You know, a lot of my footage is about different cars, even though I like exotic cars. But you know, for example, I look at other cars too, like that green truck. Believe it or not, I actually like that green truck. It's an older truck. It's an antique, and you know, I don't know if the guy driving that realizes that or not. But it's kind of weird when you really get in the cars and appreciate different kinds of cars and all. So, but anyway, we're getting very close to the light that's right in town where I make that left on Kennedy Boulevard, and that's kind of where we can kind of open this car up and you know, hopefully not scare Lisa to death here.
I know.
Yeah.
I cut loose.
Yeah. So, all right, let's turn this off.
Be happy.
Oh yeah, definitely. Good weather. We're in a McLaren. I think those are 2 good reasons to be happy.
I'll go back on Sunday.
Sunday, yeah.
Yeah.
That means we gotta make today count. So we gotta make today. So this is the final traffic light before I make that turn.
What's that date today? I don't know.
The 5th.
The 5th?
July 5th, yeah. Because yesterday was the 4th, so yeah, today's the 5th.
If it's the 5th, it'll be 6, 7.
Yep.
That's my mom's birthday.
When's your mom's birthday? The 6th or the 7th?
The 7th.
Oh, 7th. Oh, happy birthday to your mom.
I am.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. All right. When's your birthday?
October the 14th.
October 14th. Oh, good. Mine's April 10th.
Oh my God.
What happened?
You make a lot of comment.
Huh?
You make a lot of comment.
Yeah. I know.
That's it, Mark.
Yeah.
I feel lucky I got you, kid.
Yeah. All right. All right, here we go. I'm going to leave the footage on. So here we go. All right. So now
I'm on the seat.
we're making a left turn. What the hell is this guy doing? All right.
Look, I hold the seatbelt on.
All right, ready? Hang on, ready? Here we go. All right, that was nothing though. That was nothing. Wait till we get over the bridge. You're gonna feel how fast.
Today's my lucky day today.
Oh yeah. Because that was just a little bit of a glimpse of what this car can do. This car is really fast.
I know.
So.
I feel like in a roller coaster now.
Yeah, like this is faster than the Lamborghini we drove last year. This car is.
I remember now.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn this off now. All right. So I'm recording now.
Lucky day. Give me a lucky ticket.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna pass this truck here because I don't want this guy to be in front of me. There was a lot of traffic, wow, but we can still open it up though. I'm just gonna go a little bit slower, and then when there's enough room, I'm gonna gun it, and you're gonna feel how fast this car is.
Okay, stay like this.
Yeah, yep. All right. So once we go over this bridge, I'm gonna let these cars go a little further ahead because there's just a lot of traffic here. I'm gonna let these cars go further ahead so we have enough room to accelerate.
They look good for you days, kid.
Yeah. So I know this guy behind me is getting impatient, but he's gonna see what I'm gonna do shortly. All right. So let me give this guy a little bit more room in front of me. All right. So we're going over the bridge right now, and there needs to be a little bit more room here. Yeah, there's a lot of traffic. All right. Let me see what I can do here. All right. I'm gonna go right now. Watch. Ready? So second gear. First gear. Hang on, ready? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my! Isn't this car fast?
How I do?
You did great. You did great. I'm not joking. This, like, I wasn't kidding. This car's really fast. Like, some people might get scared. Oh, we'll do it again. Ready? You good for another one? Hang on tight. You'll be okay. Don't worry. You'll be all right. All right, ready? Well, let's get past this curve here. Oh, you did great. All right, hang on, here we go. And let's go. Woo!
Look at me pulling my hair over the direction.
Oh, wow. How was that, good?
I did good?
You did great. Like, I'm not joking, you really did good. Again, this is a very fast car, and speed is not for everybody. Some people actually get scared. Like yeah, like my mom hates driving fast. My mom actually despises driving fast. My mom does not like
driving. Yeah. Common name.
Yeah. No, you did. Seriously, that was okay for you. You were all right. That's great. Because yeah, like I'm saying that because again, some people do not like to go fast. Some people just, you know, speed is not for everybody. And this car is not only is it fast, it's quick, it accelerates. So
yeah,
you know, but yeah, you did really well. Seriously, I'm not joking.
So the seatbelt on.
Yeah. So no, so hey, we'll go up here real quick. We'll turn around, and we'll do it again. That'll be it. So that'll be a, you know, nice little run here. All right, so I'm gonna give a little bit of room here because I'm gonna try and get some acceleration under the bridge because it's gonna be nice and noisy.
Good luck.
Yeah, definitely good luck, right? All right. Okay, we're getting close to the bridge. So once you get to the bridge, hang on nice and tight. Just brace yourself, just like we did before. You ready? Here we go. All right, we're almost there. Oh wait, this guy's gonna get in front of me. All right, not yet. Here we go. And ready. And hang tight. Here we go. Woo!
I did it good.
You did awesome. You did awesome.
How's your mother dad?
Yeah. All right, let's do one more. Another one. Ready? First gear. Oh, we're gonna really get some. Watch this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wasn't that fun?
Good.
You did great. You did great. Awesome. Oh, that's good. All right. All right, we're getting close to the bridge. Just want to get one for the bridge too.
It's up to you, kid.
Yep. And let's wait. We're almost there.
How are you?
And let's go. Do it. Here we go. Awesome, huh?
Have a look. Don't look.
Great. Wow. So that's it, everybody. Just wanted to give a couple of get a couple good launches with the McLaren. It looks like we did. So awesome. Yeah, I like.
I hate the twisted one. That's scary.
Yeah, I don't like those anymore because they make my stomach sick. I liked them when I was younger. When I was younger, I liked to go on the ones that go, yeah, like go upside down and loops and corkscrews. I don't like those anymore.
Me either.
Yeah, I just like the.
That too.
Yeah, I mean, I like the ones that go up and they go down, but they still accelerate. So you still have fun in them, but they don't go upside down. I like those.
I like either one. I like straight.
Yeah.
Cars are going
They're
on
not-
roller coaster like that.
Yeah, they're not too crazy. No, I'm the same way.
I'm not too crazy about it either.
Yeah, but they're nostalgic. Like it's one of the things where like you like them as a kid, so when you're younger, you just kind of remember about when you were a kid, and it gives
Yeah.
you good memories, even if you can't appreciate when you're older because
Well,
you're
I like the bumping cars the best.
the what the what?
Bumping cars.
Oh, the bucking cars, yeah.
I
Oh my
like
goodness,
them
yeah, I did them a little bit. The bumper cars, they were pretty fun. Although I
Yeah.
was pretty competitive with them. I always wanted to hit everybody else, and then I got upset when people hit me because I was just so
Cars
competitive.
rock,
So,
yeah.
but anyway, now we're back in the traffic, so I'm gonna turn this off
My
again.
hair on my face.
All right, but boy, this is a great beautiful weather here. Ooh, oh, sorry, go ahead, my bad. Yeah, this is one of the things where it's hard just to see pedestrians,
I
but
want this.
yep.
Weather get ridiculous.
Yeah, but yeah, you got beautiful weather, really great car, convertible, so you can't beat it. All right, that's a wrap. So that was a video of myself and Lisa cruising in the McLaren 720S. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.